Welcome back to Make Money Online. Like and subscribe to this channel to watch more interesting videos like this one. XRP was valued at over 20 cents per coin during December 2020, a price that was 3 times less than what it was in November. Its value had been under $1 per coin for over a year, with little indication of increase. XRP has been for a long time consolidating at less than 25 cents following the massive breakdown in December. The extensive freefall came after the US SEC filed a case against Ripple Labs Inc. for selling unregistered security tokens. Just last week, XRP was moving at around 27.9 cents in the wake of a minor recovery from a slump to 25 cents. Slightly above the current price levels, the 200 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart caps movement. Then, the odds impulse were in favor of the bulls as reinforced by the relative strength index. A break above the midline was expected to encourage more buyers to join the market. Triangle was formed in the trend pattern, and it indicated that if volume is created behind XRP, we were likely to see a breakout above the symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangle was created by 2 trend lines connecting a series of lower highs and higher lows. The trend lines converge at a relatively equal point called an apex. Simultaneously, a breakout above the upper trend line would result in a significant upswing. Breakouts from symmetrical triangles have an exact target, measured from the highest to the lowest of the pattern. Thus, XRP was predicted to be capable of soaring to 50 cents if price spikes above the triangle. However, the 50 SMA and the 100 SMA may absorb the buying pressure. XRP was expected to overcome the resistance at 30 cents to sustain the uptrend. The areas of support that were being observed for a possible slip were 25 cents, 20 cents, and 17 cents. XRP is among the cryptocurrencies that are likely to have benefited from the Dogecoin's rally. After holding tight in consolidation, the cross-border token spiked, briefly stepping above 30 cents. The least resistance path turned on the upside as the bulls fight to sustain the uptrend. XRP recovered majestically from the SEC-triggered freefall in December and hit a 2021 high at 37 cents. The barrier marked the end of the rally for the cross-border token, leading to the consolidation period. As discussed before, a symmetrical triangle formed on the 4-hour chart suggests that XRP is on the verge of a massive move. XRP confirmed the upward movement on stepping above the 50 simple moving average and the 200 SMA. Trading above the upper trend line hints at a potential upswing to 38 cents. However, the immediate resistance at the 100 SMA must come down to add credibility to the bullish outlook. A behavioral analysis platform considers the average profit or loss of all XRP holders in relation to the last time the token moved. An MVRV ratio of 2 suggests that the holders of XRP return on investment are 2 times their initial investment. Holders tend to sell when they're in profit and hold onto their tokens if they're at a loss. A ratio between 1 and 0 suggests that the market is undervalued, and most holders realize losses. Therefore, they're adamant about selling. At the moment, XRP's MVRV ratio is at -6, which is extremely low. What this tells you is that investors prefer to hold and not sell. In other words, this is a bullish signal and offers an opportunity to buy in anticipation of higher prices in the future. XRP rallied hard on Saturday in a move similar to a crowd pump recently observed in out-of-favor stocks such as GameStop. The cryptocurrency jumped 56% to 50 cents to hit the highest level since December 22nd, according to CoinDesk 20 data. That was the biggest single-day percentage gain since December 21st, 2017. Classic pump-and-dump tactics are not new to crypto, particularly for XRP, which has a strong army of followers. Meanwhile, the meme-based cryptocurrency Dogecoin surged 800% a day before XRP's price pump. The data suggests that crowd-buying tactics are returning to their home turf, having democratized the legacy markets. One of the reasons assumed to be a probable cause for XRP's sudden spike is that of a Telegram group with over 121,000 members collectively committed to buying and holding XRP. It remains to be seen if the buy and hold XRP group members remain faithful to the group's title by holding the cryptocurrency. At the time of recording, XRP is changing hands near 45 cents. The price rise has erased a significant chunk of the plunge from 55 cents to 20 cents, observed following the SEC filing a lawsuit against Ripple in December. This chart shows the XRP price technically broke out of a symmetrical triangle and reached the measured move of the triangle. 55 cents is a very strong resistance because of the order block. A pullback to 37 cents is expected. Apparently, the Telegram group will pump it again on Monday. A pump was always in the cards, but I doubt it can go over 55 cents, maximum 65. The capital required to move XRP beyond is tremendous. A few hours after Ripple Labs published its response letter to the SEC, the XRP price started pumping, bucking the market trend. Ripple, the company, sent a preliminary response to SEC asking the regulator to explain how XRP is a security, while Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't. Given that Ripple's statement came out yesterday and yielded a mini rally in XRP, it is likely that today's explosive move in XRP is a product of WSB investors going back to work. A group of investors that is fighting the establishment, they may have picked XRP, as Ripple is fighting the SEC in courts. The response was received overwhelmingly positive by the community, as Ripple goes on the offensive against the SEC and makes the lawsuit a winner-takes-all process by asking for XRP to be determined as a non-security. In any case, XRP price soared about 90% today to hit 51 cents, which is the highest price traded in the past 5 weeks. The price action has pulled back in the most recent hours on profit-taking activity. Any daily close above 37 cents will be seen as an opportunity to buy as the old resistance becomes support. Amidst the legal and semantic hair-pulling, multiple crypto exchanges delisted or halted all trades of XRP. To make matters worse, its market capitalization subsequently plummeted by $16 million in a crash that proved ruinous for many investors. Whatever's happening, the surges come immediately after Ripple made a filing on Friday to rebut the SEC's allegations. In the filing, Ripple pointed out how the SEC overlooked XRP's value as a utility. As the filing explains, the functionality and liquidity of XRP are wholly incompatible with securities regulation. To require XRP's registration as a security is to impair its main utility. Things are pretty much established for a grand finale on the SEC case, if the SEC cannot on sensible grounds prove why XRP is a security, while Bitcoin and Ethereum, who passed through literally the same initial coin offering process, are not. The case points out a major witch hunt ongoing for unsuspecting crypto as regulators like the SEC look to trim the crypto market. It's a low blow of a tactic that affects everyone, including the expectant investors of the explosion of XRP. This chart reminds us of 2017, when the price of XRP surged to $3.84. The trendline is looking similar to the same scenario then. Thinking about this induces a massive feeling of euphoria of a time when most people sold off the coin much earlier before the surge, a big mistake. It hurt them to have witnessed the coin's bull run, which could have presented a better opportunity to sell off the XRP. It's not hard to see that maybe if you sell now and enjoy your profits, you could regret it later. The indicators are bullish on all time frames. The best approach to fight the desire to sell is to sell a portion, 20 or 30%, and keep the rest. As soon as price makes a good move, then sell 10% every time it makes a higher high. It keeps you comfortable along the trend and provides you cash to reinvest the last 10% after a deep pullback. Some people are saying that XRP's price is going to drop to zero, and only a miracle can save it. We think that's a report coming from a bunch of pessimists. The price is consolidating at about $0.50, and investors are already anticipating the next step in the price progression. Is it going to be $5, or is that a bit of hype? There are several levels the price could surge to at first, or even consolidate or dip before bouncing off pedestals on its way to a new high. It all depends on your level of optimism, by the way. Whether it's 60 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, $1, 2, or maybe even 3, we expect even more breakout of the price of XRP as more and more people buy and hold the crypto. This is what is really working for the coin. A sell-off is not an option, as it could possibly limit the coin once again. Not that it will dip, but it could account for a measure of stagnancy on the coin. It appears that if there's going to be any chance for the coin against the lawsuit, investors have to take matters into their own hands. The more the number of people publicly adopting and holding the coin rather than a major sell-off, the more the price of the coin will surge faster and higher. This has to become common knowledge that from the current stance of XRP, a major surge into a whole number price is not far off. In a matter of days, we have had a surge of about 80% to 51 cents already. Looking at it, hitting and surpassing its previous all-time high of $3.84 is more achievable than ever. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell. What do you think about XRP getting to $2? Let us know your answers in the comments below. While you're here, go ahead and check out one of our other videos. See you next time.
Hollywood car set.